Kelly, you are kind of the holdout or the good example of what's gone on this earnings season, where your numbers are coming in better than the street was anticipating and you're guiding higher for the year. This is coming as there is maybe some less demand or less growth in terms of what people are going to be doing for Zoom. But you guys have managed to really adjust. What's the message that you would be sending to investors right now on how to value Zoom in the post-pandemic world?
Well, we are successfully transitioning from having been the killer meetings app to being an indispensable platform that our customers use across all aspects of their business. As you said, our customers are looking to digitally transform how work is done. And to that end, we continue to innovate, and our platform is expanding with things like Zoom Events, Zoom Phone. We just last quarter released Zoom Contact Center, which will continue to evolve how our customers engage with their customers. And we're really excited about this. And we're very proud of our quarter. As you said, we had revenue of over $1.07 billion and non-GAAP operating margins of 37% and free cash flow of 47%.
Yeah, the stock has come down pretty precipitously, though. We're looking at this year-to-date chart of down 49%, and I think it's down more than 80% from the highs. And this is, again, another stock that did so well during the pandemic, and obviously you guys are looking for your new plan. The guidance that you're giving, better than anticipated, is that really a signal to investors that this is a bet on that working from home or the hybrid work situation continuing?
We believe that the future of work has changed forever. We hear from our customers that they want to ensure that their employees are productive, but employees want more flexibility than ever as well. And in order to do that, our customers are coming and looking to Zoom to help them transform how they're going to work with their employees. And that means most of them need a Zoom meetings license. But beyond that, even more importantly, they need things like Zoom Rooms, which are conference room solutions, so that every experience they have with someone who's in the office is inclusive. Also, Zoom Phone, which allows them to have their phone number with them wherever they go. It's our cloud PBX solution. You can have it on your mobile device. You can have it on your desktop. And then you combine all of that also with Zoom Events, which is our event solution as we see not only work transforming into this hybrid environment, but also events for organizations that want to bring together their customers and their employees. And they want to have that in-person experience, but they also want the leverage and the reach that they've enjoyed over the last 2 years by having a virtual component to it as well. And
Kelly, go ahead.
Having the opportunity to have that all natively built on an integrated platform is just so powerful. And that's what the future of this platform and what this company looks like.
You kept your costs under control in a tough inflationary environment. How do you continue to do that? What's the biggest thing you have to get your arms around in this environment? Wages?
Well, we are actually continuing to hire. We are really investing in innovation and our R&D team, as well as sales capacity on a global basis. But we've always been a company that has taken profitability very seriously. We are very frugal at our heart. And so we focus on areas where we can invest, but doing it in really the right way. We have gross margins. We announced this last quarter of 78%. And that's due to our DevOps team really focusing on building out capabilities in our own data centers that provide our services efficiently as possible. And then we look to attract talent anywhere in the world that we can, and doing that in a very effective way so that we can have the best talent, but really still contributing to our bottom line.
We've only got about 45 seconds left. You did say that the Russia-Ukraine war affected you in Europe. What and how? How'd that happen?
So we are seeing headwinds in Europe in general, especially in the online segment of our business. And I think it's coming from uncertainty in the economy there, as well as we are supporting those people in Ukraine by we've lifted the 40-minute limit there and giving away the service for free. And then, of course, are continuing to watch the sanctions and the impacts that they're having from a Russia perspective as well.